Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Danny, and today I'm going to show you how I am using my lead gen secret, a email sender website, to make silly commissions from Clickbank. I'm going to show you my past 1 week commission history in Clickbank. This is what I've made. $142.68 in past 1 week. I've done this before as well, a few months back, and even then I was getting some pretty consistent results. But then I started promoting the system itself, my lead gen secret, and then now I've gone back to start promoting Clickbank offers. So what, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, all you need to do is just get the link, clink, get the link from the affiliate pages of the offers, and start promoting them on, start sending emails and start promoting them on Clickbank. Sorry, on MLGS. All you got to do is go to MLGS and just look. I have 9,200, 92,300 leads, and all of these leads are provided by my lead gen secret. Okay, every day, 200 leads are dropped into my system, and I can send emails, offers to those leads once a day. Uh, which website is doing that? I don't think there is another system out there that is doing that. And if there is, please do tell me about it. Leave a comment. I'll check it out as well and try to promote offers through that app as well. But so far, my lead gen secret is doing a pretty good job when it comes to affiliate marketing and sending offers from Clickbank and Warrior Plus. All I need to do is compose an email, copy and paste it basically. Most offers have affiliate pages. All you got to do is just access those pages, pick up the swipes, paste it here, incorporate your affiliate link into the website, and bada boom, bada bang, you start making commissions because 92,300 people, they if they open like let me show you the stats. I'm just gonna explain better. Look, look. Every day. I do this every day. Open rate, excuse me, open rate 2.8.89, 3.1, 2.56. It's not that impressive, but still I'm getting sales because all of these leads that my lead gen secret provide you, they are of people who are actually looking for business opportunities, and uh, they belong to make money online niche. So I mean, come on. How easy can it get? This is the easiest this is the easiest thing that you can do in affiliate marketing. Just check out the link, first link in the description of my video. Sign up. You can have 1 month trial. If it doesn't work out for you, you can always pull out. That's it. Just do it. Try it out. Don't be the guy who would who would be kicking in themselves from a month from now or 6 months from now. "Ah, I should have done it before. I should have signed up." No, no, be the guy to take action right now. Be that guy. All right. With that note, I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.